Good morning. Today is day one of Classroom Setup. My name is Nicole. I am a third-year teacher, teaching third grade ELA. Previously, my first year I taught fourth grade ELA. Second year I taught third and fourth grade ELA. And this year I'm just teaching departmentalized third grade ELA and social studies. I am excited about getting into the classroom today because I want to leave my classroom. But seriously, I'm curious to see all that I have to do. I looked through the window and there was a teacher who moved out of state. So she left a whole bunch of stuff. And I'm hoping that it's more helpful than, just a bunch of crap that I have to figure out what to do with. So I'm going there this morning by myself. And then after this afternoon, hopefully I'll have some help to come to move my things from my old classroom to my new classroom. I also have to figure out what I'm going to do about my desk or when they can move my desk. Because right now the old teacher used tables, but I prefer desks, and my desks are in my old classroom. So I want my desk, my chairs. Those are the major things moved. And I'm thinking about my teacher desk, because I think the one that's in my new classroom, that teacher desk is broken. So I just have to get in there and see what I need to do. I'm also curious to see if they put up my book bag hooks, because I requested maintenance to put up some book bag hooks so my kids will have somewhere to place their book bags, because we don't have cubbies in this building. So I'm curious to see if they got that done yet. But anyways, before I continue even further, I need to get some fuel. I had to go to Starbucks.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can I get started for you today?
Yes, can I have a grande white chocolate mocha?
You want any color lines?
Hot.
Okay, and then white chocolate mocha hot.
Yes.
That's going to be 5 minutes.
Thank you. So I just got into my classroom, and as you can see, she left some things for me. Bilingual dictionaries. What is this? It's like a little game. Okay. I have some level books over here. Some bins and things like that. Couple of chairs. I already need to count those to see how many more I need out my old room. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with that. I don't know. I might see if a new teacher might need those things. Okay, of course, this is my screen. It's my favorites. Where I do my project my lessons on. Alright, she already has the computers here. I got this whole big pile of stuff here, and there's a bookcase area. So I'm gonna have to go through all of that and see what I want and what I don't. Oh Lord. Oh, these are painted together. These are painted shut. Oh wow. Okay. Interesting. What the? Really? Oh my God. Ooh. I'm happy about these though. I wanted this. I like that. Thank you. Oh. All this has to go. That's trash. Some anchor chart paper. Markers and things. Is this? Oh, that was Sanaya's. I need to go. Okay. Oh Lord. It's not that bad. Ooh, I like this though. I Use that cork board. She left some trays and things like that. Okay, I hope this works. Oh, it's one of the battery operated ones. Some notebooks and such. Looks like there's some bins down there. Let's see. Oh, some of this cute little border, even though that's not my style this year, but I'm gonna save it because you never know how I'm gonna be feeling next year or the year after that. Every minute on earth. All that is fun facts that happen every 60 seconds. I kind of have something similar to this, and it would be good to use like for morning meetings and things like that. And kids love that. Kids like eat that stuff up. Like in 1 minute, 45 million gallons of water go over Niagara Falls in North America. It's just like random facts. And the kids love it. So that's kind of cool. Fun facts. Thank you. What's this? Oh, I think these are like the calm area posters. Things they can do when they're upset. I can sit in a quiet spot. I cannot hit others when I am angry. This is not a good choice. Oh, this is cool. I can count to 10. These are all calming strategies. I love that. Okay. It's not like that bad. I have some whiteboards to go through. I don't know what is that back there. Frames and such. Okay. It's real dusty. I'm gonna have to get a lot of blank Scantrons. Okay. What? That is so unsanitary. Why do you have like a box of open spoons? I don't know about that. Okay, cups and things like that, and I don't know. I'm kind of scared to go back there. I am like so curious. Like these drawers, really? Oh, that one opens. Looks like it's glue sticks. Okay, and scissors. Ugh. Okay, well, at least that's the one drawer that opens. Don't understand. These drawers really do not open. Update. So 11:35, and this is most of the stuff out. Well, this is all the stuff out of these cabinets right here. I have cleaned and dusted them. I've tried to put them in categories as best as I can. These are the items that need to go to the trash. These are just used notebooks and journals. Oh, this isn't going through the trash, but I need to go through these to see what can be used. I'm going to return those to the front office because those are our testing headphones. So this is the trash table. Next, this is the table that I want to keep, but I'm not quite sure about. So I put question marks on it with dry erase markers. And which is really cool is I got these Lego pieces which can be used for like an indoor recess or something like that. I mean, it's STEM and all, but I teach ELA, but I could use it for indoor recess or some type of reward. Yeah. And then these are just the things for like display items. I'm putting all the the chart paper I have right here, and these are the borders that she left. She also left this poster. I think I'm gonna give this to the 3rd grade math teacher, my partner teacher, for teaching about money, which is cool. These are some borders she left and everything. And this right here are just the storage. I haven't gone through this right here. I want to categorize. It looks like mostly supplies. So I just need to go through there and put it in my bins whenever I get my stuff in here. Because remember, guys, this is none of my stuff yet. This is all the stuff that was left. And I'm not complaining about all of it. Some of the stuff is really cool, but some stuff is like, really? Ah. So what I'm going to do right now is try to move this desk over there on that wall. And I think I'm gonna leave the guided reading table over there. I'm sorry, it's one of my kids that hit. I got so scared. It's some kids in summer school still playing. So I'm gonna move this over there. See, right there in that area. I'm gonna put it against the wall to save some space, so I can have that area. And yeah. So let's see what's in here. All right, old iPhone charger, some wheels. Okay. Come on, man, this ain't right. Like, really, y'all, don't do this to your person. Don't do this. Like, garbage bags. Like, this is trash. Like, come on, are you serious? All right, well, I'm going to see if I can handle this. I can move this over there by myself, or I'll have to wait for help. We'll see.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think is my summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. My summer love. Been waiting for you, my love. I can't forget the day we met. You looked so fly in your red Corvette. Your hair, your look, your everything. When I see it all, I knew that you were mine. I'm in love with your hair, your lips, your silhouette.
Out to Joe, I think I just want to show you what I've done so far. I'm a little tired. I didn't realize that it was just so much stuff in here that I don't know. Like, guys, I'm a little overwhelmed, but it will all get done. Just remember that it will all get done. So I have, okay, so I just put these boards, these notes right here about what I want to be here, vocabulary, reading, and then this will be our growth board where we will document our growth. I've done nothing with this. This is the pile that I'm trying to give away to a new teacher or whoever, whatever. I just want it out. I don't care. This chair included. This is something that the teacher left. Let's see. Also, I have my own bin, so I'm probably going to give these bins away. I'm probably going to give these bins away to someone. I'll show. Yeah, I'm going to give this stuff, some of this stuff away. I'm going to go through these books at some point to see what I really like and make sure that they are leveled in the correct levels. These are some chairs. This is my board for a book a day because I want to be close to the library so the kids can reference it, as well as this will be the carpet area here, so when I'm reading they can see the book a day information. So I will have my carpet moved here. I don't know where I'm going to put this at yet. You've seen these tables already, just categorizing stuff. I want mine, because this one doesn't work, and looks like they haven't had it fixed over the summer, unfortunately. So I'm gonna have to ask for one that it works. I need a speaker. This board, I think I'm gonna keep this board here just for reading strategies, because just looking over the data, a lot of my kids, they need that. They're very low in reading, so very low for 3rd grade. And I went through this a little bit to try to organize it, but I haven't gone through all these books. This is an interesting book I found. Black students. I might look into that, see what they're talking about. I haven't touched this bottom row. Eventually I'm gonna go through these games to see if they have all their pieces, if it's actually something. Oh, can't see it. I'm gonna go through these games to see if they have all their pieces. It's something that they actually use. I'm gonna use these crayons to put into their crayon bins for their group. And this is another bulletin board. Another bulletin I'm gonna put up here, but I don't know yet. I've been searching Pinterest and Instagram, just looking for some type of inspiration. So I'm sure it will come to me in the middle of the night, like most of my great ideas do. Does that happen to any other teachers? Like, do you come up with good ideas like in the middle of the night and you just like, boop, light bulb? I have all these emptied, and I kind of started categorizing supplies: pencils, glue, scissors. Oh, and she left these great baskets. I'm not mad at that, because some of this stuff isn't crap. Some of this stuff is really good stuff. So that I'm going to keep these. Like everything over here I'm going to keep. And I don't know. I think I'm gonna put this in the teacher's lounge. So these, oh, you can't see. Sorry. I'm gonna put these bowls and things in the teacher's lounge, in the cabinets, just in case there's a party and the teacher needs them. These are some, it's like their recess stuff, and I found this was left, and I'm excited about that. It comes with 4 balls, so this is awesome. Put the pump right there, and that's it. That's kind of all I have, all the energy I have for today. Without overworking myself. It's still, yeah, this is all I can muster today. I was going to wait till, I was going to stay here all day. The plan was to stay here all day and wait till my workers are able. I'm going to sit down. Wait until my workers can come to move some of the stuff out my room and into here. But, sorry. I think I'm just going to come tomorrow, take a shower, eat something, and come with a fresh and rejuvenated mind. Today wasn't all bad though, because I saw my kids. There's summer camp going on right now here, so I saw some of my kids, and they're really excited to see me, and that makes me feel. It gives me the feels. It gives me all the feels. So this is going to be it. I'm going to go ahead and end this one. This is the classroom setup, vlog 1. If you want to see how I turn this into something beautiful, I hope. Please subscribe, like this video, hit the bell for notifications, and comment. Those are 4 things you can do. It's a lot. I know I'm asking for a lot from you, but at least subscribe. Let's do one. Subscribe, okay? All right, guys. See you for the next one.